Old accounts by the natives of the coast insisted they existed. Today we know they were right. They are the orangutans. They live only on the islands of Sumatra and Borneo, where the Dayak natives have always called them Orangutan, the man of the forest. If the animals had monarchs, then he would be the Red King of this jungle. His mode of locomotion is called brachiation, which consists of swinging from tree to tree using his incredibly powerful arms, which, when outstretched, measure 2 meters in length. They spend almost their entire lives high up in the trees and do not form social groups. Their solitary lives are due to the fact they have to constantly travel in search of the trees whose fruits are mature. This makes them botanical experts capable not only of distinguishing dozens of species, but also of predicting when and where the fruits of each one will mature. For this, they need considerable intelligence, which is developed especially during the more than 5 years they spend with their mothers following birth. This is the closest mother-child relationship of any animal except for humans.